Sending the young boss himself, sending the Intence for the test right now. I'm ready now.
Young badness.
So, Mr. Intence, what seems to be the problem right here? Because I tell the nurse, them say, alright, so what is the problem?
She send me the pussy, young.
Mr. Intence, this is not how we roll around here, you know. Let me tell you, this is not how we roll around here. Is it the AIDS test here for? Huh? No expletives in my office, sir. As I will surely give you an injection to calm your nerves. More to your body.
As me push it in, say the boots bossy pop. As me push it in, the boots bossy pop.
I hear you. But, so if you boost boss, you don't get the next one?
Now for next one.
Ratted. So you go be about then. Eh?
But to that girl the sexy, you should have forget that.
So Mr. Young Boss, how much female you have sex with? Huh? Because this sickness is contagious. If you ever blow up on them, then we catch it. So let me know what I want. How much girl you have sex with?
She gal and the bad man, I sure no. She a guy me know. I wonder where the girl you want.
Be the Intence, let me talk to her. Let me see what she a want. Let me talk to her.
No long me a call, I ain't even answer. The belly of 6 months, I'm a go doctor.
You know you now hold the meds and move like a frost box. And you see them give you 100 G and you done that.
I thought it
So you really give her money? Eh? Ah, Jesus, you the breeder then. Eh?
That she gone and started gunking on me head. If the boots go, so why the fuck she never give me head? Like why father God never make me cocky dead? But hold on, cause half of the story still not said.
So Intence, tell me boy or girl. By the way, tell me boy or girl. Tell me boy.
Bad gal and she no give a lame head. Yeah. Fat patty brown king nail dead. Yeah.
What you say, you breeder? Because I don't want you open up on her, you know. After your mind, you give me a link. You hear me I say Intence? No joke. You know me no. You hear me? No joke. You know what thing go. You see me? You hear me I say? This is DJ Bobajoe himself. And I'm telling you guys, say, make sure you hit that subscription button and also like the video. You understand? You can't watch the video without liking it or even leaving a comment. And make sure say you subscribe. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Peace out. Straight out. You don't know. Yeah.